Ladies and gentlemen, I show you who I shine the shoes after the shoe patina. For this we take only a little bit of the shoe wax and we put this only with the finger on the shoes. And only a little bit, not too much wax. And after this process we stay the shoes for about 10 till 15 minutes, then we polish it. And now we polish the shoe with the polishing roller. So, and now coming my favorite part of the shoe shine, the mirror shine. For this we need a hard wax, water and a polishing cloth. And we take also with the finger little bit of the wax, but many times. And the mirror shine is only possible of the hard parts of the shoe, top and heel. And it's only possible when the shoe have a very hard top. We take it like this. Many times of the hard box. And now we need the cloth. We put this on the finger. We need a drop of water, strong, and then we put only a drop of water of the top, little bit wax, a drop of water on the shoe, and we polish it that for many time, and you see when it's finished. And the first time you need more time, but in second times the mirror shine coming very fast.